How to show your way for husband you truly love them. In excitement of a new romance, it's easy and natural to communicate your love for the person. After marriage, however, many couples set plateau a routine in which one or both partner fail to they are taken for granted. Don't let a noted ego be way to reinforcing your love for your spouse. Follow the steps to show your partner how much you really love them. Showing love through action. Start of small. Small thing can make a big difference if you put a little tout en feeling into it. Your way for husband ultimately want to note, at end of the day, you're thinking of them. All of the following can be done for little or no money. Suggestion after dinner walk through the neighborhood. Turn on a room into a dance floor or ask your spouse for a dance. Can out in your own backyard. Read to your spouse in bed, with or without comic commentary. Go to the gym to GT, some couples swear ta sex after worry grea. Talk about idea for a romantic vacation en start de taille for safe keeping. Progressively get bigger. In is to mix up the small, more than action with big, more meaningful on. The zone take a little more work on ma cost, some, all to know very much, money. But ilbo or it when your spouse scram with excitement or wriggle with joy. Make a video montage of your wedding night. Ria out to your in-law en plan a surprise birthday party. Recreate your first date, first kiss, or first run-in. Vrit en record your spouse a love song, quand besin seror ton ginch ik. Create a storybook fictionalizing the beginning of your relationship. Show your love through toute full action. Take on simple thing, like drawing a bat, giving a massage, doing a dish, or writing a poem. Osant action ta you know your partner will appreciate. Remember, doing yourself never doing begrudgingly. If you show affection, but drag your fait along the way, you may have no besoin it. Puis something for him when you know that specifically want it. If you want a craftsman set of tool, or you want a fancy handbag, they might be upset at your well manning attempt to get them or make them something similar. Make something for them when you're trying to show effort. It doesn't take much effort to be your spouse why you know they want. But it sur take effort thinking of a poem, writing it down, en setting it in a frame. T-shirt al comim. Numéro small gesture a resietant on a big on. In case you took you could doing it and make up for all your normal neglect, sorry, I much easier to do small thing for your spouse a regular interval tant it busting out a grand gesture every blue moon. Practice small and steady. Spend time with your partner. T often the least used, but most powerful form of loving, turn off the phone, the TV, computer, the radio en site jet allowing yourself to experience it. With your husband or wife obviously provide the opportunity to serve him or so available to love your spouse. Go on a data list on samont. Children, busy schedule, en apathique en all jet into way, but you bot should shoot to be alone for dinner or to movie a list on samont. Te moment quand really el prenit te marital flamme. When in a do, ask question. People love talking about en solve, en your spouse no differ. Pepe them with greao, or when a question instead of a simple i no question. Grea conversation relie on grea question. Be comme a connoisseur. Really jet took no surpassed. Some spouse are surprised to learn, after many years, every day de taille a their partner past. Showing a concerted interest in their past show them tailleur ali car a whotr. Dans li, tel te root admitting to your mistake show you trust and accept your past. Showing love through war. Speak your love. Clear communication will let your partner know how much you love them. Speaking from your experience is a way of sharing yourself so that your partner can hear it. You might say, Mirg pite pate wen yu val quintoteru morit un kabouyo trugumide, en atimido, ismil. C'est what veitru. Prez your spouse talent en accomplishment. Figure out, if you have already, the way in which your partner think they unique or distinguished. Span your team reinforcing those traits. If your husband fancy yourself en intellectual, presim for his mar, if your wife fancy herself a fashionista, preserve for her style. Jet used to talking yabu feeling. Don't shy away from talking yabu emotion your trug. Dialogue about emotion your partner having. Char even inconsequential thing happen during your day, it will make your partner feel more intimately involved in your life. Speak the truth. Telling your partner the truth allowing thing to do because it show trust and respect. The truth de have to be positive to be meaningful. It just need to be true. Show your spouse unconditional love, but no unconditional acceptance. Always be willing to accept correction from your spouse to a point help of you develop and grow a better plan strengthen your relationship no build your relationship on a fantasy or falsehood. Don't raise your voice, used loaded vor, or generalize using vor like always en constantly. The can make the truth sting mortant it need to. Don't be occupant to cultural notion to love it to never select to help someone better yourself for herself. Trust your significant te actually want you to tell them the truth. You should strive to encourage a hot keep coming up with way to better yourself and your relationship. Use gracious word to point out your spouse weakness and offer constructive suggestion not to improve the thing. If your spouse is especially sensitive, balance out criticism with praise. So test what need to improve, don't just lie en set air perfect what they are, point out what need to improve, help them become better in a positive way. Find out your partner preferred love language. Do take know you love them when you speak more of love? Or maybe they feel loved by your act of service? Some people feel loved by receiving a little gift, en other by loving a touch. All love is no based on your preference by your partner. Ting ta men might consider abu omen, a little physical affection go a long way. Guidon often show physical affection, en somme a little gesture like qui sont nekora spontano embrassi juste wa cheneib. Dont un coffee ta reassurance, t'un coffee ta reaching out. Ting tao omen might consider abu men somme think of physical affection a une necessary or even clin i. Tano to set you can show your love, juste be avoir ta twimino important. Give your spouse team to voice emotion, en don punish him if can.